Jay, here we go, man. Here we go. Start with another top scroll. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. What's that? Oh, he's here. Is that Wicks? All the money was on Jaden Reed tonight to have 60 yards. Dude's got 0. All the money was on him. 0 yards. Vegas never loses. Vegas too good. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, Sanchez, Miller, Lipcomb, Miguel. We'll look at Miguel. Eight more yards. Need to hold him to a field goal. He should be good. Oh, we got an auto? Backwards. Lucinia. Hey, let's go. Dude, you got an auto. Colton Ingram on-card auto at a 99. Colton Ingram rookie auto at a 99. Look at that, man. Rookie auto at a 99 out of Mega Box. Nice. Heck yeah, man. Not too bad. Yeah. Nice auto. Can't beat it. Let me put this in a different case. For a 99, top scrum auto. Cool. We got 2 autos? What's this? Anthony Volpe, Future Stars. Alexa promising. Marte, Jorge Polanco, Sal. Anthony Volpe, Future Stars. Nice. This is a short print. Oh. I thought it says that. It's just a certified auto on it. Brandon Crawford, Shower, Trevor Williams, Colton Bowser. Every time I see this yellow, I always think it's going to be a Paul Skeens. Oh, Jordan Love. There we go. That's what we needed, man. We needed a tie game so the Lions can run it down there. Carlos Carrasco. I had a patient. He always like, who's pitching now? I say Carrasco. He's like, oh, that's a loss. He hated Carrasco. Kyle McCann. He did not like. He did not like Kyle Carrasco. 2 Red Wave parallels. Oh man, he was open. He was wide open. Wendell. Oh, look at that. Del Cruz, rookie at a 199. These are loaded, huh? At a 199. Oh, the Ray Wave. I'm sorry, I can't read. I thought it said red. Scott, Max Schumann. Only 2 of those per box, man. You got a good one, too. You got a good one. Very nice. Day Cruz out of 199. It's wavy. It's wavy. Day Cruz. Very nice. I'm gonna choke out one more pack. One more pack. I'm leaving in suspense for a little bit. I want to check something out real quick. That Volpe, man, I'm telling you, I think it's a short print. Maybe not, though. Topps Chrome Future, that's not it. Maybe not. Topps Chrome Future Stars. This one, there's one with his hand touching the bat. This one doesn't have his hand touching the bat. I'm trying to see. No, maybe not. I lied, maybe not. Nice. Not too bad. It's listed for 75 bucks. 75 bucks on eBay. Not a bad hit, man. And an auto. These mega boxes aren't too shabby. Strand, Jackson Churro, Martin, Kate Smith. Not too shabby. I got one more mega box. Not too shabby there, man. Might be easier. I figured it'd be easier. Alright. Volpe, Cruz, Ingram. Nice looking card there. Cool, man. Alright, we'll get you a pack. We'll get going. I need a Montgomery. We need a nice Montgomery run, and we need a some runs here. Tired up, just run the ball. Waste some flop. Oh, I got both running backs back there? Oh no, I got Gibbs. There we go. 9 yards. Up back. Oh, Jamison Williams. J-Mo, he's cooking. Alright, man. We've had this sealed up for about 5 years now. Opening it up. Actually, I'm going to start a new video for this one.